Welcome to the ASP.NET WebForms step-by-step series designed specifically for absolute beginners who want to learn WebForms the right way from the ground up. In this series, you will master key topics like the WebForms page lifecycle, working with the server control, understanding code behind structure, managing state, and accessing data using SQL. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for interviews, or a developer transitioning from other technologies, this series is perfect for you. Each video is hands-on with live code, practical examples, and project-based learning to help you apply what you learn instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this beginner-friendly WebForms series. Welcome to this video on using query strings in ASP.NET WebForms. Query strings are one of the easiest ways to pass data between pages using the URL itself. In this session, we will learn how to use them effectively and also understand when not to use them. Let us start by passing data. In page1.aspx.cs, inside the button click event, you can write response.redirect of page2.aspx name equal John. This line will redirect to page2.aspx while also passing the name John in the query string. The key is name and the value is John. After redirection, the browser's address bar will look like this: http://localhost:1234/page2.aspx name equal John. This format is very common on the web and great for simple data sharing between pages. To retrieve the query string value in page2.aspx.cs, use string name equal request.queryString of name. Label1.text is equal to hello plus name. This extracts the value for the name key from the URL and display it using a label control. Go to page2.aspx in design view and add a label control. Set its ID to label 1. When the page loads, this label will show the message hello John or whatever value was passed via the query string. Query strings are best used for non-sensitive data like filters, page numbers in pagination, or keywords in a search. They are quick and easy to use without any extra setup. But there are limitations. Query strings are visible in the browser, can be edited by users, and should not be used to pass sensitive data like passwords, or personal information. Also, URLs have length limits depending on the browser and server. Never pass passwords or confidential information using query strings. For those cases, it is much safer to use session variables which store data securely on the server side. To summarize, use query strings for simple non-sensitive data. Pass them using response.redirect, retrieve them with request.queryString, and avoid them for anything private. They are fast, lightweight, and very easy to implement. In the next session, we will go deeper into session variables, a secure way to store user data across pages. You will learn how to store, retrieve, and clear sessions data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can pass more than one value by separating parameters with an ampersand. For example, you can send a name and age together like response.redirect of page2.aspx question mark name equal John ampersand age equal 30. Then read each parameter separately on the next page. On page2.aspx.cs, simply retrieve each query string parameter by its key using request.queryString of key. Make sure to check for nulls in case parameters are missing. Query strings keys may not always be present. Always check if the query string exists before using it to avoid null reference errors. If your data contains spaces or special characters, encode it using server.url encode to avoid errors or broken URLs. On the receiving page, decode the query string value with the server.url decode to get the original string including spaces and special characters. A common use of query strings is in search pages where the user's keyword is passed via URL. The search page then reads the keyword and displays filtered results. Make your URLs readable and meaningful for better user experience and SEO. Avoid cluttering the URL with unnecessary data or sensitive information. When debugging, always look at the URL in the browser to confirm parameters are passed correctly. Use Visual Studio breakpoints to inspect request.queryString values at runtime. Many e-commerce sites use query strings to pass filters like category and page number for product listing. This allows users to bookmark or share URLs with their current view. Try passing more than one piece of data via query strings in your project. Remember to validate and encode or decode properly. Practice makes perfect.